Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a 2020 Toyota Camry key battery. Open the key fob with a coin at the seam and separate the halves gently. Remove the old CR 2032 battery, paying attention to orientation, then insert the new cell with the positive side up. Snap the fob back together and press the buttons to confirm the remote connects to the car and operates locks and panic. Start by laying out a coin, a small plastic pry tool, and a fresh CR 2032 battery on a clean towel. Keep everything within reach so you won't misplace the tiny parts or springs. A plastic pick reduces risk of shorting or scratching contacts compared to metal tools. Make sure your hands are dry and free of grease, and work over a tray or cloth to catch any small pieces. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and like so you don't miss future car tips. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with saving on small repairs like this battery swap. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, then now let's get back to the video. Pry the fob open at the seam using a coin, working slowly around the edge so clips release without breaking. Lift the battery out with a plastic tool and note the orientation before removing it. Place the new CR 2032 in the same orientation, press it firmly into the holder, and align the case halves before snapping them back together. Finish by testing lock, unlock, and panic buttons to confirm successful replacement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.